Hello and welcome again. In this example, I'm going to explain how to use a debug screen, debug command to output a specific value of an input. So, for example, if you have a device that you would like to link to a robot and you would like to know the value of the current status of this device. So what I'm gonna do, first I linked the IR sensor, so you can see the values of the reading of the IR sensor in the debug screen here, and then I'm gonna link a variable resistor, and I'm gonna also show you how to link it and get the value of the IR of the variable resistor here. Okay, let's start with. Sorry, I'm gonna go to debug, read the value of an input. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the text here to add a new line, which is \n here. If you make and download this program, you will get it will work, but you will get an error that I will show you how to overcome it. Okay, download. Keeping the cable in place and everything in place, I connected the IR sensor to input 1 and I'm gonna see the reading here. After download, I connect and press reset for the values. As you can see, the screen goes crazy because you keep sending data to the debug screen, and this is wrong because you're gonna flood your buffer, the computer buffer, and you can't read it very well. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the controller, stop the data, turn off the controller, clear everything, and here I'm gonna add a delay. As you can see in the delay here, the delay gives you a delay time between sending a command to another, between executing the next command. So I'm gonna do 1 second delay here, then now make. Now if you do the conventional way of downloading, pressing reset, it's not gonna work. So what you have to do is to turn off your controller, and here's the reason why. Because the cable, as soon as you turn on your controller, the cable will be very busy to take your download command. So what you have to do is to turn off your controller, download, and then turn it on, and now the download will start automatically. Now we will see. Okay, now reset and connect. Now you'll be able to see the value of the IR sensor. Of course, the value ranges between 0 to 1023 because this is a byte. And let me change the value for you. I'm gonna put a white paper on top of the IR sensor. Okay, now it's full. This is even further. I'm gonna get it closer. See how the value changes. And this is how to read an input using the debug screen. You read the value of the input. Okay, I'm gonna switch now the same input. I'm gonna switch it to a variable resistor. Okay, so this is the hardware connection for the debug screen. I'm debugging the value. I'm sending the value of the IR sensor through the cable to my PC to this screen. Okay, to debug screen, and that's it. This is the program. What I'm gonna do now is to get a sensor out of the shelf from a hardware store, electronic store, sorry. This is a variable resistor, I'm gonna connect one line of it to the ground, the other one to the one of them to the ground, the other to the signal. It's in yellow here. And I'm gonna connect this sensor, okay, here to input 5. I used input 5 because the program here in the program I used input 5. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and now I'm gonna download the program, make. Okay, then download the program. It's downloading. Okay, after I'm done, connect and reset here. Okay, and keep changing the value. Okay, as you can see, rotating the sensor, changing the value. Okay, let me put them both in one screen. Okay. Okay, here I'm rotating to change the value. Okay, I'm gonna to maximum. Okay, then to the okay,